Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Anjali. The topic that I'll discuss today is how to skip a line in Python. As the name says, this is about skipping a line. These are the methods to skip a line in Python. I've listed four different methods. First is using Python if statement, using \n new line character, using pass statement, and using the return statement. We'll start with first method, that is using Python if statement. The if statement is a condition statement in Python and works if the condition is true. If the condition is false, the line inside the block are skipped automatically. As I said, if is a condition statement, we can write some condition inside the if block. If that condition is true, it works accordingly. If it is false, in our condition, it will skip a line automatically inside the block. We will see how this works with an example. This is a simple example which I've copy pasted to show how if condition helps to skip a line. This is the variable called USA cities where I've listed city's name and I'm writing a for loop called for I in USA cities. Inside that I'm writing if condition if I is equals to New York. It means if I becomes New York. I've written a print line which helps us to skip a line. Here I refers to all the names of the city. One by one it will take. When it comes to New York, then only it will skip and it will print the remaining names. We will see by running this code. You can see here I is the name of the cities. Initially it was printing. When it comes to New York, it skips by using this line, printing empty line. Then it continues printing other names of the city by skipping when it comes to this condition. This is how we will use if statement. Now we will see second method, that is using \n, that is new line character. In Python, new line character indicates the end of the line. So we can put the \n in the text, skip a line. It is common way to skip line in Python. By adding \n after any text, we can skip that line and it indicates the end of the line. We will see an example. This is very simple and one line example I am considering. In the print function, we are printing success is a journey, not a destination. We want to break here. After journey, we want not a destination to be in another line. We just want to skip here in between. So we have added \n in this place. Now if we run this code, you can see how it is skipping to the next line. This is one line and this is another line. This is how we will use \n. This is very simple to understand and to use also. Here is the third method, that is by using pass statement. This is one of the simple ways to skip a line in Python and it acts as a placeholder. It allows you to bypass a code line without causing any Python syntax error. It means after writing condition, by using this pass keyword, you can just pass to the next line of code without getting syntax error. Even though you are not writing any printing line or any output statements, it will help you to pass to the next line without getting any error. We will see how this works by using an example. Here I've taken employee name as variable which contains some name of employees. Now I'm writing for loop for I in employee name where I will be having names of employees. Then I'm writing if condition. If I becomes Alex, then we are writing pass. If I is not Alex, which comes under else part, we will print the remaining names. This is how the code is. If I run this code, you can see we are skipping this name by writing pass keyword. This condition becomes false. I is not equals to Alex. This condition becomes false. Then it will go to else part. Then it will print that name. This is how pass keyword is helping us to skip a line in Python. Now we will see the last method, that is using return statement. This is another approach to skip a line in Python using return statement function. By using the return keyword return statement in function, we can skip a line. We will see this in an example. Here we are writing a function by using the def keyword and name of the function is USA car brands and we are passing parameter as x. Inside that I am writing a condition called if x is equals to Cadillac. we are writing a written keyword. Else, we are printing X. And again, we are writing a written keyword. When X is equals to this value, it will return. When X is not equals to Cadillac, it will print that and then return. Here, in this variable, we are passing the brand names of cars and we are writing a for loop which says for I in car brands. Here I refers to all these values in car brands variable and we are calling a function by its name and we are passing I value. Now we will see how this works. You can see here the same name has been repeated twice. All the names are printing except Cadillac value. It is skipping in both the places wherever it is repeated. This is how a written statement works. I hope you understood all the methods that I've explained here. Also, in the description box, I'll be adding a video link in which inbuilt functions are explained. You can refer to that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.